Good morning, folks. Urban Sentinel here. This video today is a product review on nutrient survival. They make freeze-dried survival foods. They are based in the United States of America, Reno, Nevada, the Reno Tahoe area, beautiful area. And especially for you preppers out there, new preppers, or even people just looking to balance out this teeter-totter of a situation that we're in, having products such as these from Nutrient Survival can be a benefit to what you already have in your existing preps. I mean, they're fantastic. I will say this, I've had dozens of freeze-dried foods over the years, and this is one of the easier ones to make. I mean, it's pretty simple. The directions come on the packet. You just pour in a certain amount of water, hot water, heat it up, stir it a little bit, let it wait a few minutes, and then stir it again and eat, and you're good to go. As an example, this is from their home style scramble. It's in the sample pack that I received. They have a wide range of products available on their website. You can get a sample pack, I believe somewhere close to $30. It'll give you an idea of what they have to offer. This way you're not committing right off the top to a large scale amount of food. But ingredients of what it has on the front, it's got the actual servings and the calories and the fat content and all of the vitamins and minerals that you get, directions down the bottom. I mean, it's pretty much easy to operate, no problems there. Some of the other items they have, Southwestern Medley, they've got a powdered egg blend, powdered milk, creamy chocolate shake, chocolate grain crunch, triple cheese mac, which I will be getting into that later, even coffee in these small little packets here. Now, I'm a coffee drinker and I like my coffee with a bit more punch, but this is a smooth coffee. I actually made a cup this morning. I used 2 of these in there, and so I've got that sitting right here. Then in addition, right now for breakfast, I already made it because I can't get this whole thing set up to do the entire process, and no one wants to see me go through all those steps. I've got the Hearty Apple Cinnamon Oatmeal, which, again, open up the packet, pour in the water, give it a stir. So right now, that's what I've got in here. For the value that you get from what they offer, it's a good investment. It's something that you can put your money down on and be secure enough to know that you've got this as a standby. If you're a person that is already looking at freeze-dried foods and you've already got some, take a look at their website and, see what they have to offer, see if it interests you. If you're someone that's just looking for a little extra edge, again, go to the website, see what they've got, make your decisions there. If you choose to, I'm going to put a link down to them below in the description, and possibly I'll be throwing up a link somewhere up here. I've got a discount code for you, TUS10, capital T, capital U, capital S, 10, the number 10, and that'll give you 10% off your purchase. So again, take a look, see what they've got. I think it's a worthy investment. Go out, try it, get a sample pack, see what you like. You can't go wrong. Catch you guys later.